us start the next section in our demonstration, which is about drilling down. So drilling down is a concept that you must be already familiar with because we have talked about drilling down in pivot tables, right? So the same concept we are going to demonstrate when using maps application. And so basically drilling down, the conceptually it remains the same. So what you try to do is you are visualizing data at one level, right? Or one period. So let's assume we are looking at data at one organization unit level. And then we try to drill down one step below so that we can see what has actually resulted in a particular visualization that we are seeing at the particular level that we initially started with. For example, if we are having some issues that we want to clarify just by looking at the level 2, which may be a district, I want to see for us to have this visualization at district level, at facility level, what could be causing this particular visualization, this particular interpretation of data at district. So that if we can directly go down one step further to the facility level and see it, that's our objective. So let me show what happens and how we do it in the maps application. So let us take the same example of what we are seeing in EPI coverage by district last year, right? So this is what I have seen now. And for example, let's drill down one of these red color districts, right? So the red ones, which one should I take? I can just take, okay, let me take this bird district and see what has happened here, right? So what I do is I'm just I will right click on this bird district, right? And I'm seeing couple of options. So what I see here is I can drill up one level. So if I drill up one level, what will happen? Yeah, you are seeing this. What is it? It's actually at the regional level. I'm seeing actually the food region and animal region. At regional level, what is the legend value? So basically, food region is doing fine with a fine, not great, with the legend value over between 80 to 90. Whereas the animal region, the aggregate EPI coverage is 79.8. So what I will do is I will try to drill down from here. I just click drill down one level. You can see that because we don't have any data collected at national level, we are seeing that drill up has been disabled. So I'm going to click on drill down one level. So when I click on drill down one level, you may see that now we started off with this district, right? So the animal region. So we are not actually seeing data for the food region because we are only we started drilling down only from animal region. Okay, right. So here I will select the bird district in this animal region and I'm going to click on drill down one level. So when I click on drill down one level, let's see what happens. Now, right now we are looking at district level. And when I click on drill down one level, right, this is what I see. In fact, I'm seeing data which is coming from facilities in the particular district I used, right? So there are so many facilities in this district, and amongst these facilities in this bird district, you can see not all facilities are doing so bad up to the level of, not all. Now we were thinking because it was 70, it was less than 70, that is why the entire district may be colored in red color. But when we go to the facility level, we can see that it is not the same, right? We have, even inside this poor performing district, we can see that there are some facilities which are doing just fine. So for example, you can see that Peacock Dispensary, 80%, and Hawk Primary Health Center, 80.8%. So these are just fine, right? Not so bad. But here we have few which are doing really bad, like Cardinal, 46, Woodpecker, 50, and this one, Pigeon, is 66.9, which are really crossing the aggregate, the average percentage of the entire district to go below 7. Can you see? So what is the advantage of this? What is the advantage of this drill down function that we have? What can you do with this data? Anybody? What is the advantage of actually having this kind of visualization? What is the advantage? So,
When we are doing an intervention, like we can do it specifically to that facility rather than considering the whole district.
yeah, so what happens is if you just have, have a district level review, right? EPI review, and you have managers of all these facilities coming, and if we just, if we just go up one level, and if we just try to, maybe we are having a national level kind of review where we have everyone from district and facilities. If we start blaming everyone from this bird district, all the managers of health facilities of bird district saying, "Oh, look here, see, this is not the way to perform. You must be working more harder. If you can compare with other districts, your district has been really performing so bad. What is the reason? I feel that you are not working fine." Likewise, it's not some. It won't be a good comment to the facilities which are performing fine, right? So what if you have the functionality of drilling down, you can actually see and even explain them and show them. See, look here, because of three of you, your entire district statistics is doing really bad, right? And at country level, even at country level, let me show, you can nicely show, right? Okay, you go up to this level and you show, because of three of you, what happened? At district level, your entire district has gone down, even though there were some of the facilities which are in green color. And you take it one step further and you drill up one level and see, right? See, in this entire bird region, you are entire animal district. The bird district is the one that is performing bad. And see how it impacts at national level. You drill it up one step and you show. See, now, because of you, if you compare the two regions, the food region is doing fine, and the animal region, irrespective of some of the districts performing fine, you are doing bad, mostly because there are some district like bird district, which is having so bad, not so great performance level, right? So that way you can instruct them, and you can focus attention as well as focus intervention on the facilities that really need attention. Do you see that? Yeah. Okay. And also, let me see something else. Let me apply and okay, let me just try to drill down one level and let me look at all these districts. And now after the bird districts, then we have these two districts which are not performing fine, the fish district. So let me just drill down on fish district to see what we have. I try to drill down so I can have an idea. So fish district is relatively small, right? So let me drill down one level. Right. So this is what I see. Now, this is a bit weird. Do you all see something abnormal here about the health facilities? If I zoom out, if I zoom in a bit. What do you see?
There are a lot of facilities compared to the size of the district.
Exactly. A lot of facilities are there, and anything else with regard to the geography of these facilities? I saw that this particular district is a very small district, the fish district, right? But now I'm just not sure why this salty dog dispensary is appearing here. Just a bit curious whether it's, I'm feeling suspicious about this facility. So what I can, yeah,
It's outside the boundary, no?
yeah, that's what I feel. But to confirm what we can do, I can quickly add a boundary layer, right? Let me add a boundary layer, training land at district level. I do that and click on add layer and let's see what happens. All right, here we see something. Let me zoom in a bit further. Here we can't say anything at this zoom level. Let me just zoom in a bit and see what has happened. All right, there you go. What has actually happened? Now, see, this facility, which is from fish district, is actually appearing in somewhere else. What could be the reasons for this to happen? What could be the reasons?
Wrong spatial coordination entered by someone.
Yeah, exactly. For example, this facility may actually be from this district, but somebody has entered coordinates, the longitudes, latitudes, which are incorrect, and that's why it is appearing here. What other what could be the other reason?
The administrative functions belongs to the main district, though it is physically present in outside.
Right. Okay, Deepal, you took kind of a complicated concept. Okay, let's not make it that complicated. Yeah. So as you mentioned, yeah, I mean, like there may be some other reason why it is visualized under this particular one due to some administrative constraints. But then again, the other thing that can happen is one reason, as Ruan mentioned, is that the coordinates are wrong. The other one is this facility is actually located in the wrong district, right? This facility may be in the org-unit hierarchy by mistake. They may have been assigned to a wrong facility, wrong district. So actually, even though this salty dog dispensary, the coordinates may be correct. It may be actually located in this particular district. But like when somebody was configuring, they may have configured it under the fish district, and that is why it is showing under fish district statistics. Whereas actually this should be belonging to this particular district that we are seeing here. So if that is the case, you can click on this relocate and you can change it, right? So that kind of functionality is also available. But however, the relocate can give you some errors sometimes. Let me see whether it happens. There is a bug. Let me see whether the bug is there. Yeah, of course. Right now, unfortunately, I lost the entire visualization also with it. Anyway, so, but with that, we come to the end of the part 6, right? So we can move on to the next one.